Good afternoon. My name is Ayman. We came from Yemen for treatment in Artemis Hospital. We're staying in Lime Tree Hospitality, and really the department is very good. It's a modern style, and there is all facility. Even outside the garden, there is a garden outside. We can every day go out for walking, and staff here are kindly and helpful. Even their boss, Mr. Rahul, he is a gentleman, and I like this place. And if I will come again to India for any reason, I will stay here in Lime Tree. I like the apartment. We pass 3-4 apartments before we get here, and this is the good choice. We got it. Stay in Lime Tree. That's it.